Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel Speak Easy with Priyanka. Today's video is for the beginners regarding how to use English sentences. So let's not waste our time and get into the video. The first sentence is how are you? How are you? This is a very common sentence used to ask about someone's well-being. For example, if someone asks you, how are you? Then you can simply reply, I am fine, thank you. Or you can also say, I am good, I am doing well, or I am great. Practice these sentences. How are you? In return, you can reply, I am fine, thank you, or I am good, I am doing well. The second sentence is, what are you doing? Use this sentence to ask about someone's activity. For example, if someone asks you, what are you doing? If you are studying, then say, I am studying. Or else if you are cooking, working, or else watching TV or playing, then you can use I am cooking, I am working, I am watching TV, I am playing cricket. So in return, you can reply in this way, and if you want to ask about someone's activity or whatever they are doing, you can ask like, what are you doing? Repeat after me, what are you doing? The next sentence is, can you help me? You can use this sentence when you need any kind of help from the opposite person. For example, can you help me with this bag? Can you help me with this bag? If you want to sound more polite, as I said in the previous videos, instead of using can, you can use could if you want to speak more polite. You can also use could you help me? Repeat again. Could you help me? Or can you help me? The next sentence is I don't understand. I don't understand. Very useful sentence for English learners. You can use this sentence when something is unclear or you are confused or you didn't understand something. For example, sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand. Instead, you can also say like, could you repeat that? Or please say it again. Please say it again. In a simple way, you can use like, I don't understand. The next sentence is, what does this mean? What does this mean? Use this when you don't know the meaning of a word or sentence. If you don't understand the meaning of any kind of word or any kind of a sentence, then you can use what does this mean? For example, if you don't understand any word, then use what does this word mean? This sentence is very useful while learning English vocabulary. Please practice what does this mean? The next sentence is I am busy right now. I am busy right now. Use this when you cannot talk or do something immediately. For example, you can use like I am busy right now. I'll call you later. If someone is calling you, then you can reply it like I am busy right now. I'll call you later. Repeat after me. I am busy right now. The next one is please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. This sounds polite and professional. For example, if someone is calling you and you are busy in some kind of activity or some kind of work, then what we naturally use is like wait. But instead of using wait, you can use like please wait a moment, because if you use wait, it seems to be very unprofessional and also rude. So instead, start using please wait a moment. For example, please wait a moment, I'll be back. Repeat after me. Please wait a moment. We'll go to next sentence. The next sentence is I am on my way. I am on my way. Use this when you are coming somewhere. For example, if someone asks you, where are you? You can just reply, I am on my way, meaning I am coming now. Repeat after me. I am on my way. The next sentence is that sounds great. That sounds great. You can use this when you like an idea or any kind of suggestion. For example, if someone asks you, let's go for dinner, then you can simply reply, that sounds great, which looks like a very positive feeling to the opposite person. Practice that sounds great. The last sentence is see you later. See you later. Use this instead of saying only bye. If you have completed the conversation and if you are leaving the place or some kind of situation is there, then instead of saying only bye, you can use like see you later. For example, okay, see you later. Other similar phrases like see you soon, take care, have a nice day. Repeat after me. See you later or see you soon, take care, have a nice day. These are the sentences which looks very impressive. Now let's just quickly revise all 10 sentences together. First one, how are you? How are you? Second, what are you doing? What are you doing? Third, can you help me? Can you help me? Fourth, I don't understand. I don't understand. Fifth, what does this mean? What does this mean? Sixth, I am busy right now. I am busy right now. Seventh, please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Eighth, I am on my way. I am on my way. Ninth, that sounds great. That sounds great. The last and final is see you later. See you later. Excellent. Now, practice these sentences daily to improve your spoken English fluency. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson and learned some useful English sentences. If this video helped you, like the video, comment your favorite sentence, and also do not forget to subscribe to Speak Easy with Priyanka. It's time to wrap up. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.